Hi everyone, I'm Roxana Risa and you're watching This Week in Beauty with Ipsy. So to celebrate 4th of July, we're gonna be highlighting some of our favorite beauty products that are made right here in the great USA. We've got everything from hair care, skincare, makeup, and basically just everything in between. So let's dive in. First off, I have to talk about this Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Peppermint Oil Cooling Jelly Conditioner. This stuff is amazing. I've actually been using this entire line, so the shampoo, the conditioner, and the scalp treatment for a while now, and I love it. It has a really nice pepperminty scent, so if you like mint, you're gonna love this. But on top of that, the peppermint and just the mint in general really helps to cool the scalp and just gives you such a nice experience in the shower, honestly. It feels amazing on your head and it really does relieve any itchiness or redness or anything like that. And it also has charcoal in it, which helps absorb like impurities. And if you're like me, I personally use a lot of hairspray, dry shampoo, you know, lots and lots of grooming products. So sometimes we tend to get product buildup at our roots, and this conditioner will actually help to remove that and just help keep everything nice and clean and detoxify the scalp. So it's one of my favorites and definitely a good one to try out. Next up, we have First Aid Beauty. This is their Pure Skin Face Cleanser. First Aid Beauty is an amazing company that's made right here in the US because it is great for sensitive skin. They always are sure to include like really gentle ingredients, and they're always hypoallergenic and fragrance free. This particular one helps with dryness and redness, and it does have a really nice whipped texture on it. And when you use it, it feels super luxurious on the skin. As you rub it in, it kind of like melts your makeup off your face and removes any kind of dirt and grime and anything, and it does a really nice job of gently but deeply cleansing your face. Next up, we have the Josie Maran Whipped Argan Oil Face Butter. So this is another skincare product that is just so loved inside of the beauty industry because it's super buttery. It's a very buttery face cream, but it's still lightweight, so it sinks in really nicely and it gives you such a beautiful glow. And it also like really firms and hydrates the skin underneath. My hand is gonna have so much skincare products, hair products, everything on it right now. We have to talk about some Buxom products because they're another great brand that is made right here on our homeland, and they always have such fun collections, very bold colors, and that's something that we all need a little bit of in our lives, am I right? So this is their Buxom Bold Gel Lipstick in Pink Coquette, and it's a really pretty shade. It's actually perfect for the summertime, I feel, because it's just that beautiful summertime pink that everybody can rock, and it has a great lightweight gel formula to it. It has pretty nice opacity and color payoff. It's pretty much one stroke color and you are good to go, and it's also very weightless. It just feels so nice on the lips as well. So yeah, this is the shade Pink Coquette again. So moving on to Clinique. This is an eyeshadow palette that I think everyone could use in their lives. It's a great everyday eyeshadow palette because it has some neutral tones, it has warm tones, it has cool tones, and it has a nice range of tones, I feel. So you do have some lighter shades and some darker shades in here. So you could create glam looks, smoky eyes, everyday looks. I just feel like this is something that everybody could be using. And this does have 8 different eyeshadows in here, so you really are getting a good range of stuff. And the shadows are really nicely pigmented. They're pretty crease and fade resistant, so you can wear them throughout the day, and look how beautiful that sheen is. It's super gorgeous. So let us know in the comment section which of these products you are most excited to try. We definitely want to hear it. And of course, we have a giveaway for you guys today. So all you have to do to win this beautiful Clinique eyeshadow palette and also the First Aid Beauty cleanser is comment down below your plans for 4th of July and tag somebody that you're gonna be celebrating with. So thank you guys so much for watching This Week in Beauty with Ipsy. I'm Roxana Risa, and I hope you guys all have a very happy and safe 4th of July.